Turkey, a bridge between continents, a century of radical change and military guardianship. We investigate the roots of the modern republic. The early 1900s, the decline of the Ottoman Empire. Out of the chaos of World War I, a new identity begins to take shape. Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, the architect of the secular republic, a vision of westernization and national sovereignty. Sweeping reforms, the Latin alphabet is introduced, the caliphate is abolished, a radical departure from centuries of tradition. 1952, Turkey joins NATO, a strategic bastion on the southern flank. Naval power secures the Bosphorus, the crossroads of worlds. 1960, the first military intervention. The TSK establishes itself as the ultimate guardian of Ataturk's secular vision. 1980, General Kenan Evren, full-scale military rule, curfews, suppression, and a new constitution that would define the next decades. The 21st century brings rapid transformation, a decade of unprecedented growth. GDP per capita more than triples by 2012. 1997, the postmodern coup. The military exerts pressure without tanks, forcing the resignation of the first Islamist prime minister. 2002. A seismic political shift, the AKP rises to power, challenging the traditional Kemalist balance between state and religion. The modern TSK, highly institutionalized and lethal. Special forces projected across borders, from Syria to Qatar. Rank authority remains absolute. Asymmetric strength, the Bayraktar TB2, a global symbol of Turkey's modern defense industry and strategic regional influence. Today, the struggle continues between Ataturk's secular laiklik and a new religious resurgence. The soul of Turkey remains at a crossroads, a centennial legacy, a future in the making. Follow the Fault Line Report for more. Like and subscribe.